Good morning, student. Today topic is hollow shape. Today topic is hollow shape. There are two types of shape using. One is a solid shape using. Another is a hollow shape using. Hollow shape using. Here, the hollow shape is a very cheap in cost plus light in weight. Hollow shape is a low cost and light weight. Main advantage of hollow shape. Okay. Today one problem solving in hollow shape. Today one problem solving in hollow shape. The given problem: a hollow steel shaft. A hollow steel shaft transmit 75 kilowatt. Transmit 75 kilowatt at 200 RPM. 200 RPM. 200 RPM. 200 fine. Okay. The given data. The given data. The power is here 75 kilowatt. Rotation speed n equal to 200 RPM. Okay. Second, to find the outer diameter of the shaft. To find outer diameter of shaft. Capital D. Okay. Second, where inside diameter is 0.7 outside diameter. Where inside diameter is 0.7 outside diameter. That meaning the inside diameter is small d. The inside diameter is small d. The small d equal to the inside diameter is 0.7 outside diameter. Okay. The small d equal to 0.7 capital D. That means, okay. Taking the allowable shear stress is 70 megapascal. Okay. 70 mega, the allowable shear stress tau. Tau value 70 megapascal. Okay. The given data. The given data. Power is there 75 kilowatt. The speed n equal to 200 RPM. The diameter, inner diameter is 0.7 outer diameter. Allowable shear stress tau equal to 70 megapascal. To find the outer diameter. To find the outer diameter. To find the outer diameter. Okay, the solution. Solution, we know that power equal to 2 pi n t divided by 60. Okay, power of formula P equal to 2 pi n t divided by 60. Okay. The unit conversion second. The unit conversion is a P. Okay, the unit conversion P. Okay, P equal to 75 kilo meaning 10 power 3 watt. The unit conversion, the kilo watt converted to normal watt. Because 75 into 10 power 3 watt. Next, tau value equal to 70 megapascal. Okay, the normal Pascal converted. The mega meaning 10 power 6. 70 10 power 6 Pascal. Again, the unit conversion Pascal converted to Newton per meter square. Okay, per 70 10 power 6 Newton per meter square. Again, the unit conversion the millimeter. The meter is converted to the millimeter square per 70 10 power 6 Newton per millimeter square divided by 10 power 6. Okay. 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. That means the unit conversion 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. Okay. But the 10 power 6 cancel automatically. The tau order value 70 Newton per millimeter square. Tau order final value 70 tau equal to 70 Newton per millimeter square. The power order value P equal to 75 10 power 3 watt. Okay. The final simple equation of equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. The final equation 1 is here. P order value 75 10 power 3 equal to 2 into 5 into n order value 200 rpm. 200 rpm. T is a torque. Torque is a unknown value. To find the torque divided by 60. Okay. Let's simplify the equation. The simplify the cross multiply 60. Next step, the cross multiply 60. Okay. Next step is a cross multiply. 75 10 power 3 into 60 equal to 2 into 5 into 200 into torque. To calculate torque value. Okay. What is the again simplification the equation torque T equal to 75 10 power 3 into 60 2 into 5 into 200. Okay. The final value. Okay. The simplify the equation. The 75 10 power 3 into 60 divided by 2 into 5 into 200. The simplify the equation. The final answer. Simply the equation. The final answer here. 3.58 10 power 6 Newton millimeter. Newton millimeter. Okay, torque value is here 3.58 10 power 6 Newton millimeter. Final answer is here T equal to 3.58 10 power 6 Newton millimeter. Okay, the T on the value calculated. Next the hollow shaft. Hollow shaft. Torque formula T equal to torque formula T equal to hollow shaft torque formula T equal to 5 by 16 tau d power 4 minus small d power 4 by capital D. Okay, the torque formula hollow shaft T equal to 5 by 16 tau d power 4 minus small d power 4 by capital D. Okay, capital D. Already T is a known value, tau is a known value, small d. Okay, the small d equal to 0.7 of capital D. Okay, meaning Q small equal small d equal to 0.7 of capital D. Okay, but small d value substitute equation 2. Okay, the equation 2 is the equation 2 small d value substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 the small d value substitute equation 2. Okay, but T order value is 3.58. T order value 3.58 10 power 6 equal to 5 by 16. Tau order value 70. Okay, 70 Newton millimeter square. Okay, 70 Newton millimeter square. Okay, tau value 70 Newton millimeter square. Okay, tau value 70 Newton per millimeter square. Next, okay, capital D. Okay, capital D the unknown value. Okay, apa capital D power 4 minus small d power 4 0.7 capital D. Okay, substitute small d value apa 0.7 capital D whole power 4. Close the bracket. Okay, divided by capital D. Divided by capital D. Okay, the final equation is here 3.58 10 power 6 5 by 16 into 70 into d power 4 minus bracket of 0.7 capital D bracket or 4 divided by capital D. Okay. Again simplify the equation. 3.58 10 power 6 equal to 5 by 16 70 d power common the d power 4. Okay, you take d power 4. The common d power 4 you take outside. D power 4 bracket of 1 minus 0.7 power 4 bracket divided by capital D. You take d power 4 common. Okay, for d power 4 bracket 1 minus 0.7 power 4. Okay, the capital D, the one capital D, the one capital D cancel. Okay, again solving in this step 3.58 10 power 6 bracket 5 by 16 bracket of 7 70 d power 3 bracket of 1 minus 0.7 power 4. You finally calculate the d value. Finally calculate the d value. Okay, d power 3 equal to 3.58 10 power 6. The cross multiply 16 divided by the cross multiply 5 into 70 into bracket of 1 minus 7 power 4 0.7 power 4. Okay, the final D3. Okay, the final D3 equal to this equation. Again, the solve this equation. Again, solve the equation. Capital D meaning 69.9 millimeter. Capital D 69.9 millimeter. The final answer is here. Outer diameter shaft is here 69.9 millimeter. Once again, explain the hollow shaft in this problem. The given sum. The hollow steel shaft is transmit 75 kilowatt at the 200 rpm. Find the outer diameter of shaft. The inside diameter is 0.7 outside. Taking allowable shear stress is 70 megapascal. The given problem. The given data power is 75 kilowatt. Speed is n equal to 200 rpm. Small d equal to 0.7 capital D. Tau equal to 70 megapascal. To find the outside diameter of shaft. Okay, find the outside diameter shaft. There are two formula using. Solution. First formula, we know that power P equal to 2 by nt into 60. The equation 1. We know that P equal to 2 by nt 60. Equation 1. P is a known value. N is a known value. T is a known value. Find the torque value. Find the torque value. Substitute the P and the N value in this equation 1. Substitute the P and the N value in this equation. P order value 75 10 power 3 bar. N order value 200 rpm. Okay, substitute the value. The P order value 75. Okay, 75 10 power 3 equal to 2 pi into N order 200 T order 60. Simplify the equation. The torque value. Simplify the equation. Torque value 3.58 10 power 6 Newton per millimeter. Okay, you calculated torque value. The second formula, the hollow shaft. Torque formula T equal to 5 by 60 tau d power 4 minus small d power 4 by capital D. The equation 2. Okay, the T value known value, tau value known value. You find the outside diameter capital D value. Example, small d. Some given small d equal to 0.7 of capital D. Substitute the small d value in equation 2. Okay, substitute the small d value in equation 2. The final equation the 3.58 into 6 equal to 5 by 16 into 70 into equal to Okay, the capital D, the 1D, the cancelling. Okay, 1D the cancelling. The final equation 3.5 10 power 6 equal to 5 by 16 70 d power 3 bracket of 1 minus 0.7 power 4. Simplify the equation. Finally got the outside diameter of the hollow shaft is 69.9 millimeter.